About a week ago, 15 inches of heavy wet snow and sleet dropped on the top of our Grand Design RV. Well, not all at once. That'd be horrible. So if you've ever wondered how much snow is too much snow to sit on top of your RV, well, stick around because we're going to go find out right now. So what do you think? Is it going to be okay?
This little doohickey?
No, the roof.
Oh. Yeah.
You think the roof's going to be okay? You're not worried about it?
No.
I think it'll be okay. I think it's that extra sleet. It's like an inch of sleet that we got right on top of all that.
It'll be just fine.
See, you're the optimist
Correct.
of this pair. I'm the realist? I'd say I'm the realist.
You're the grumpiest.
That's not entirely true.
Maybe I'm the grumpiest.
You're the grumpiest?
No.
No, you're not. I mean, if we had to choose who's the most grumpy out of the two, it'd be me.
No, I think it's because you overanalyze everything.
Well, that's certainly true. It's a lot of snow.
It's out. It's not the most snow.
It's the most snow we've gotten on top of our camper.
No. We've only had a camper for 2 years.
Right, which still, it's the most snow we've ever gotten on. We've never had to worry about it before.
But I think campers have had more snow on them.
Oh, sure. But, you know.
It's going to be fine.
I'm sure
guys.
roofs fail here and there with
Not
weight on them.
ours.
Hold on, we're about to run into this Nissan.
I'm going to play with the little doohickey camera now.
Okay, she's going to play with the doohickey. We got a new camera, by the way. So
Fancy.
we're playing with it. Anyway, go ahead, play.
Okay. Oof.
Did she survive?
Yes.
Let's see. Let's see, gang.
Ooh.
Okay. All right, let's go check it out. Oh. Let's go take a peek. Guess we can look for critters while we're in here. I don't see anything. Everything looks good. Ship shape. This is weird. Why would this be down? That's pretty weird. I don't know why that would be down. Huh. We're gonna chalk that up to a mystery, gang. No critters. Still got some antifreeze. We're looking good. No critters. The roof has held up. Cool. So everything looks good in here. So if you guys were wondering, can a Grand Design travel trailer withstand 14 to 15 inches of snow on its roof with a bunch of sleet on top of that? The answer is yes. So everything looks great. And still no mice. So that's good too. All right, let's get back out here and try not to bust our butts. Good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there's still a lot of, I mean, it's everything's frozen solid here. Frozen solid. I know, right? Ooh, that's a weird feeling.
You should, there was one guy I saw on TikTok that like
Whoop.
slid down a hill on his belly like a piglet. You should do it.
Yeah, no thanks.
Come on.
No thanks. Here, take this for me. It's really cold.
Real cold.
We did it.
Did it.
We did it. Everything's good. No critters.
Yay.
There's still antifreeze in the toilet.
And the chair
In the toilet. And it's slushy, which is what it's supposed to do.
It's slushy.
So that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of freezing.
Yeah.
Oh, we can have some fun in this. I'm not going to though, because I don't want to slide into someone's.
Someone's.
Yeah.
Great. Don't come out here if you don't have 4-wheel drive.
Nope. You'd get stuck for sure. Bad.
That was an adventure.
Sure was. Always is.
Always an adventure. Like and subscribe.
Everyone else seems okay too.
Yeah.
Yay, campers.
Better now?
I do. Do you?
Yeah, I knew everything was going to be
See,
fine.
there you go. We came out here just to satisfy everyone's curiosity on how much snow can a Grand Design travel trailer roof hold. At least 15 inches. That's what we've discovered. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.